हेलो स्टूडेंट, आज हम डॉग पर लेख लिखना सीखेंगे। लेख मीन्स ऐसे। द डॉग इज अ पेट एनिमल. इट हैज़ 4 legs. It has 2 eyes. It has 2 ears. It has a tail. Its body is long. Its teeth are sharp. Some dogs are white. Some dogs are black. Some dogs are brown. Some dogs are spotted. Some dogs are big. Some dogs are small. Some dogs eat meat, fish, rice, and bread. It is very useful. It is very faithful. We should treat it kindly. Student, read the line, revise more and more time, and enhance your vocabulary and making sentence